Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V11. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson V11 is making a strange noise, it's likely a sign that the motor is failing. This can happen due to wear and tear or blockages that cause the motor to work harder than it should. If left unattended, this issue could lead to further damage, making your vacuum less effective and potentially requiring more extensive repairs. To carry out this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a replacement motor compatible with the Dyson V11. First, ensure the device is turned off and unplugged. To open your Dyson V11 safely, locate the screws at the back of the unit and carefully remove them with your Phillips screwdriver. Once the screws are out, gently pry apart the casing using your flathead screwdriver. Be cautious not to damage the plastic components. Next, identify the motor. It's typically found near the bottom of the unit. You may need to disconnect a few wires connected to it, so take a photo or note the connections for reference later. After you've located the motor, remove the screws securing it in place, applying a steady amount of force as you do so. Once the screws are out, carefully lift the motor out of its housing. When replacing it, ensure the new motor is the correct model and align it properly. Reattach the screws, making sure they are snug but not overly tight to avoid stripping the threads. Reconnect the wires according to the notes or photo you took earlier. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, gently reassemble the casing of the Dyson, ensuring no cables are pinched or trapped. Replace the screws you removed earlier, and ensure everything is secure. Finally, plug in your Dyson V11 and turn it on to test the new motor. Listen closely to ensure the strange noise has stopped and that your vacuum is running smoothly. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly clean your Dyson to remove any debris that could obstruct the motor. Additionally, consider checking the filters periodically to ensure they are clean and functioning properly. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.